What's up, my royal flush? It is I, J Heart, the Queen of Hearts, and I am back with another video. What's up, y'all? If this is your first time watching me, hello, my name is J Heart, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back, y'all. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out the Beauty Bakerie. Some items I purchased from them. I didn't want to purchase their foundation. Don't judge me, but I just want to really try out their concealers and also their coffee and cocoa palette. Hopefully this palette works for me. I hope it does. I really hope it does. If this is your first time watching me and first time seeing my video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Y'all do not want to be a part of the 80% of people that watches my videos and y'all not subscribed. Join the Royal Flush, y'all. Come on, join the Royal Flush. And also hit that bell notification button as well. Since you already down there, y'all might as well hit that button. Y'all might as well hit the bell button. Go ahead. And also give this video a like at any point in this video if you do enjoy yourself and you enjoy me. And with that being said, y'all, let's just get into this video.
Baby, you better use it. Use your imagination.
Okay guys, so I did finish my base already and I'm going to just go in with the concealers. Where did I put them? So the concealer shades that I got was You're Beautiful, and then the other one is Love You Latte, which I'm actually going to be using. You're Beautiful doesn't, it looks pretty dark for me, so I'm not really going to be using that. And if I've seen like any of the reviews on this, like they tell you to blend really fast, so of course I'm about to blend really fast. First, I'm about to start on my nose area and my forehead area, which I really don't do first usually, but cause like I seen the reviews on it, so I'm back to actually use this first, and I'm about to start blending. Yeah, with this concealer, you gotta blend right away. I already see that. And then I'm just going to blend out the edges with the foundation side of the sponge. What? I don't know how I feel about this. It's a pretty color, but this dried too fast for me. And then it looked like it was, I'm gonna just wait to get my final thoughts on this concealer after I finish this look. Okay. Okay, so I set like my face, of course, like you should. And I also purchased the coffee and cocoa palette that y'all seen. And I don't think these are gonna work for me. Actually, I could use Deja Brew. Let me see if I could use that as like a little contour or something. So I'm gonna take my Morphe R14 brush and take the Deja Brew color and try to contour with this. Actually, no. I'm gonna take my fan brush, coat this nice and good, and just, oh, I can contour with this. I'm actually going to take the shade Anti-Depresso. Ooh, this is dark. Let me see. See if I can contour with this. This is going to be a dark contour, y'all. Well, it's pretty. I can literally only use a little bit of it, but I can use this. I just gotta use a light, like one tap of it, like, and then tap out the excess, or this shit will start to get muddy on me. And then I'm going to take the shade La Vida Mocha, which is this shade right here, I'm gonna use that as a blush, but use a little bit of it because this is a deep color. So but I'm about to finish the rest of my face real quick, y'all, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so I'm back and I did my full face. As you can see, I'm looking pretty good. Now I'm going to give my final thoughts of the products, and yeah, so I'm about to actually start off with concealers, which the concealer I use is Love You Latte. As you can see, as you can see in the video, like I struggled with blending it out, even though I just applied it and I like blended it out right away, just like it instructed me to, because I've seen multiple reviews on this concealer. So I'm like, girl, y'all not about to get me, okay? Y'all not about to have me looking stuck like some of these people. And the reason that is, like, I think it's because it's waterproof. So I think that's like the one reason why it's like that. But it did start to pick up my foundation, like when I was blending it out. But actually, after I had it all blended out and done, it was good. So it was like, it had me worried at first, but then I wasn't so worried as much anymore. But the concealer is actually really good. It's really full coverage, like it said. I recommend blending this out in sections, exactly how I did it in the video. Blend it out just like that. That's the only way I can say you could use this concealer, because doing it like a regular way of concealing, there's no way you can wear this, okay? Let me actually get a mirror. So I looked at myself already and it looked pretty good. It does look a little dry and like crackly. I don't know if that's from the concealer or the powder I set it with. Maybe it's the reaction, I don't know. But it just looked kind of dry and crackly. Like, I have oily skin, so like drying, like, you know, not that really my problem. But there's no creasing yet, which I'm really excited for. And it still looks really good. It still looks really good, even though it just looks like, I don't know, it just looks really good. But yeah, so y'all saw like I had trouble blending out the concealer. So just be wary of that. If you do want to pick up their concealer, just be wary of that. I heard the foundation is just like that. So that's pretty much why I didn't pick up the foundation, because I really wouldn't want a foundation that's like that. But bottom line, I do love Beauty Bakerie. I do love them, period. Now let's get into the Coffee and Cocoa palette. Okay, y'all, so I would say this is a dark skin like a person with more melanin than I have, dream palette, like perfect bronzer. This like bronzer, highlight as well, and blush. Y'all, I played myself trying to use some of these products. This was a good contour, I guess. That's all I could use it for, was a contour. I tried to use this blush, like I just used it really sparingly. Yeah, and I used this to like be a deeper contour, which I will probably never use again as a deeper contour. I don't know. It was pretty cute. Yeah, so y'all, I tried to play myself. There's no way I can use this highlight in here as well. Like, I can't use this highlight. It is too dark for me. What the fuck? It's too dark for me. I can't use that as a highlight. But the other three I could use, but I have to use like literally a dab, because it's pretty. Like, it's a really pretty palette, but I can only use a dab except for the contour. That's what I really can go ham on. Like, with everything else, I gotta use a dab because it will be overpowering and would just not look right on my skin. So bottom line, I really love the palette, but I probably will only use this like not too much, like, you know, not too much, maybe like once in a few videos or once in a few period. But for now, or when I run out of my regular stuff, but for now I will definitely stick to my regular stuff. But I will actually keep going in with this contour shade right here, and maybe the bronzer a little bit. But I have so many blushes, and that is too much dark of a blush. But it's a really good palette. Like, if you are a deeper skin tone, way like three shades deeper than me, or 2 shades deeper than me, you could really appreciate this palette because it's pretty good. Like, it's a really good palette. but it's just not for me, like for almost like, you know, my everyday makeup look. Also, Cashmere did create this palette for her daughter who is dark skinned as well. So you know, it's like more for deeper people, you know. But I wish they would make a light, if they made a light version, like for us light skinned black people, if they make a light skinned version of this, I would love it. Like, I would really, really love it. I wish I asked her on IG Live when she was on live. She didn't reply to me because I'm irrelevant as fuck. But she does follow me on Twitter. So hopefully I might get out, you know, get her through that. But yeah, so yeah, you guys, those are my final thoughts on some of the palettes from, some of the products from Beauty Bakerie. Also, I love Cashmere so much. She is so nice and so sweet. She's literally just a sweet person. So yeah, you guys, with that being said, make sure you hit that subscribe button right before you go, and also hit that bell notification button as well. And with that being said, you guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.